So this is I'm going to so thanks for your purchase my videos. I'm going to teach you about what is the basics of internet money making. There are a lot of concepts available in internet. One of the concept is affiliate marketing. This is the real one. You can earn money from internet. Already a lot of people are earning by doing affiliate marketing worldwide. So I'm going to teach you. First thing, in what way you will get what way you will get money. You have to do something beneficial to some companies, so they will get benefit from you, so they are giving commissions to you. This is the basic concept. In what way they can we can help them. One is pay per click, second one is pay per lead, third one is pay per sale. So in future we will see all the what is pay per click, what is pay per lead, and what is pay per sale and all. So to start this business, you should have some website. Okay, you need not spend any money to create a website. There are a lot of free websites are available. One is thing blogger.com, where you can create your free website. So you can create a website in any topic. Okay, you can create about your business, or about some entertainment, cinema related, or some mobile related, or some pet related. Whatever you want, you can create your website in that topic. Okay, so in next video I will give you information about how to create a blog and all. So okay, after creating the website, how you can earn money from that blog or website. You have to put some advertisement on your blog. Okay, so if somebody comes to your website and if they click that advertisement, you will get money. That is called pay per click. Okay, so what is pay per lead? So you put some advertisement in your blog. So if somebody visits your website or blog, if they click that advertisement and go to another advertisement, go to that advertiser's website, and they registered freely, it is called a lead. Okay, so what is pay per lead? Pay per sale means you put advertisement on your website, and if somebody visits your website and they click that advertisement and go to the advertiser's website and they make a purchase, if they buy some product in that website, it is called sale. So you will get commissions. So that is called pay per sale. So pay per click means you will get commission for just clicking. Pay per lead means not for click. They click the advertisement in your website and go to the advertiser's website and they register their membership. That is called lead. That is pay per lead. Pay per sale means selling. Somebody comes to your website and click the advertiser's link, and go to the advertiser's website and make some purchase. So that is called pay per sale. So you need to have some small website like Blogspot, like that, or you can create your own domain name also, like .com domain, but it is not necessary in initial stage. After learning, after getting your first check, you can go for that. Initially you need not have that one. So we are going to see all this pay per click, pay per lead, and pay per sale in future. Okay, in my next videos. So this is a basic concept. I will explain you in my next videos. Thank you.